Are you curious about making money from the comfort of your home? Well, buckle up because we're about to explore a simple yet powerful strategy that can potentially help you earn $2,000 every week through Forex trading. Say hello to the price action strategy. First things first, what is price action? It's just a fancy term for studying and interpreting the historical price movements of a currency pair. Forget about complex indicators and charts for now. With price action, we focus on the raw price movements. It's like reading the language of the market. Now, let's break down the steps to implement this strategy in a way that even beginners can understand. To embark on your journey to $2,000 weekly, start by understanding the basics of Forex trading. Learn about currency pairs, how the market works, and the factors influencing exchange rates. A solid foundation is crucial, so take your time with this step. Price action is all about observing how prices move and using that information to make trading decisions. Look for patterns, trends, and key levels where prices seem to react. Candlestick charts are your best friend here. They visually represent price movements, making it easier to spot potential opportunities. Support and resistance levels are like the building blocks of price action. Support is where prices tend to stop falling, and resistance is where they pause before rising. By identifying these levels on your charts, you can anticipate potential entry and exit points for your trades. Candlestick patterns provide valuable insights into market sentiment. Patterns like doji, hammer, and engulfing patterns can signal potential reversals or continuations. By recognizing these patterns, you'll be better equipped to make informed trading decisions. Before diving into live trading, practice your skills using a demo account. This allows you to apply the price action strategy without risking real money. It's a crucial step in building confidence and refining your approach. Successful trading requires discipline and a well-defined plan. Outline your trading goals, risk tolerance, and strategy. Decide how much you're willing to risk on each trade and set realistic profit targets. Having a plan in place will keep you focused and less susceptible to emotional decision-making. Keep an eye on economic news and events that may impact the Forex market. Market sentiment can change rapidly, and staying informed helps you adapt your strategy accordingly. Economic calendars are handy tools for tracking upcoming events. Remember, making $2,000 weekly from Forex trading with a price action strategy is within reach, especially for those who are willing to put in the effort to learn and practice. Remember, there are no guarantees in trading, and losses are part of the game. However, with a solid understanding of price action and a disciplined approach, you can increase your chances of success in the dynamic world of Forex trading. So, equip yourself with knowledge, practice diligently, and who knows, you might just turn this strategy into a profitable venture.